Hello, all the lovely people. Welcome back to Nikhil's Gourmet Food. Rain means different things for different people. For some, it is a relief from sweltering summer heat. Some may feel it as a nuisance. Regardless of this, I think we can invariably agree with this fact that rain means piping hot pakoras with hot cup of tea. So, as you know, Lonavala is famous for its corn pakoda or corn bhaji. So today I am going to show you a perfect and easy recipe of super crunchy and crispy corn pakodas or corn bhajis as you get in Lonavala, served with a hot cup of tea. So let's start by removing the husk of the corn. I have taken 3 corns and removed the husk from them in the same way as I am doing it here. Then I am going to take a knife and de-seed them completely. Remove all the seeds of the corn in this way. Now all the corn are de-seeded. Now let's dig into the ingredients required for making the corn bhaji or corn pakodas. In a bowl, add 1 cup of besan, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, salt as per taste, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro or coriander, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped finely. Crush 1 tablespoon of ajwain and add it to the batter. Don't forget to add rice flour and corn flour as these will give you a perfect crispy pakoda as you want it. Mix this well with the help of a spoon or with your hands. Now is the time to add the star of the dish, that is the corns. I am using here sweet corns. You can add any variety of corns. If you are adding the normal variety of corns, you should boil them first. I am not boiling it because these are sweet corns and they are soft in texture. After coating the corns well with the flour, now I am going to add little water. Combine everything well. Now our corn pakoda batter is ready. Now in a kadai heat some oil. The oil must be medium hot. Now here I am going to show you 2 shapes of the pakodas. One is normal flat one and one is the oblong shape. This is the consistency a pakoda batter must have. I am dropping a small portion into the hot oil to check whether it is hot or not. So this is the flat tikki like shape. Drop all the corn pakodas or tikkis into the hot oil one by one and let them cook. After 2 minutes of cooking, they will have a crispy crust on them. Then you can take a perforated spoon and stir them. When you see a golden crust on them, you can remove them. Shake the excess oil and transfer it into a sieve. By doing this, you can ensure it stays crispy for a long time. Now just take some portion of this batter and drop it in hot oil. Don't disturb the pakodas, let them cook properly and let the crust get formed. Then you can stir it with a perforated spoon. After you get a golden brown color, you can remove them in a sieve and let the excess oil drain, and then you can plate it and enjoy it with hot tea. I'm damn sure you are now tempted by seeing this recipe, so make it yourself and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, you can watch my playlist.